How to fix you are not eligible to install apps from store.epicgames.com. Let's get started. First, check for iOS update. To do that, launch settings, click on the option general, click on the option software update. If you find any available updates over here, just update your iOS to its latest version. Next, head back, navigate to the option date and time, enable for the option set automatically. Head back, now scroll down and click on the option language and region. Click on the option region. In this page, you're gonna find list of the country option. Select the one in which this option is available. Then you can head back, give a fresh restart to your device, and then again try to download from store.epicgames.com. Then head back to the main page of settings. Scroll all the way down, navigate to the option apps. From the list of the apps, find Safari. Once you find it, launch it. Scroll down and navigate to the option clear history and website data. Click on it. Now, check in for the option all history and enable for the option close all tabs. Click on clear history. Now restart your device. If your problem persists, then wait for official release in your country. Until then, you'll need to wait. So, these are some fixes for cannot install. You are not eligible to install apps from store.epicgames.com. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.